Okay. Good day. Today we're going to talk about graphing linear equation using slope and y-intercept. There are four methods of graphing linear equation. The first one is using 2 points, the second one using the x and y-intercept, and the third one is using slope and y-intercept, and the last one is using the slope and a point. So our target for now is using slope and y-intercept. There are two forms of linear equation. Standard form, which is ax plus by equals to c. Then the slope-intercept form, which is y equals to mx plus b. So we'll focus our study here, in which that formula y equals to mx plus b, m there is our slope, then b is our y-intercept. So to solve for the slope, we must use this formula. M equals to rise over run. Can use that one in all of the problem that we have. Okay, first example is graph the given slope and y-intercept. M is equals to 4 over 5, then b equals to negative 4. Okay, so this b, as I said, this is our y-intercept. That is the first point we're going to plot in our Cartesian plane. So negative 4 can be found in the y-axis. So this is the one. Then your slope, which is equals to rise over run, your rise there is 4, then your run is 5. Okay, so that means that your rise from the point of your y-intercept, you will count 4 steps. This 1, 2, 3, 4. And after that, for the run. The question is, where are you going to turn? To the right or to the left? So many take note of this. When your slope is positive, that means that you have to turn right. If your slope is negative, you will turn left. So for this instance, our slope is positive. So we will turn right. 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the second point. To connect that one, that will be our graph of that given slope 4 over 5 and b, or our y-intercept, negative 4. The second one is our slope is 3 and our y-intercept is 2. So we must plot our y-intercept 2, this one. Then in our formula rise over run, from that our rise is 3, then our run is 1. So any number, whole number, automatic 1 is our run. Okay, we plot that one. 3, 4 rise, 3 steps upward from the y-intercept. So this is 1, 2, 3. So run 1. Right, because our slope is positive. So to connect that one, that is our graph of that example. Okay, next problem. Graph the given slope and y-intercept. M is equals to negative 3/4 and b equals to negative. So our y-intercept is negative. So we look at the y-axis. Negative 3 is here. Then our slope is negative. No, negative 3. Negative 3. So negative 3, negative 3. Our run there is 3. So we count 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. So since it is negative, we will turn left 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the point. Okay, we will correct that one. Okay, that is our graph of number 3 problem. Okay, the fourth one. Graph the given equation y equals to 2x plus 1. So as you can see, there is no given slope and y-intercept. But the given there is an equation which is written in slope-intercept form. So from that, we will extract our slope and our y-intercept. So our slope there is 2 or 2 over 1. Then our y-intercept is 1. Okay, we plot that one in our Cartesian plane. Our y-intercept or b is positive 1. Then our run is 2. So we'll count 2 step 1, 2. Then that is positive. So 1 is run, so 1 step to the right, 1. So this is our second point. To connect that one, that will be our graph of that equation. Okay, the last one. The last one is an equation written in standard form. So we must convert that one. We must convert that one to slope-intercept form, which is y equals to mx plus b. Okay, so as you notice, no, dapat all the y's will be put in the left side of our equation, and all the constant and other variables will be placed in the left side. So we will retain negative 4y, then 8x, negative 8x, and negative 12. So remember that when you transpose any terms to the other side, that will become negative. Okay, this one, to eliminate this one, you have to multiply 8 by 1/4. Negative 4y equals to 1/4 times 8x minus 12. In here, we are applying for the multiplication property of equality. So this will be cancelled out, the remaining is y. This one, 1 negative 1/4 times 8, negative 8x, the result is 2x. Negative 12 times negative 1/4, that is positive 3. From there, we can now extract our slope. Slope is 2, then our y-intercept is 3. So we'll plot now our y-intercept, which is positive 3 here. Positive 3. So positive 3, this one. Then our rise there is 2, then run is 1. So we'll count 2 step upward. 1, 2, then 1 for the run. So this is second point. To connect that one, that will be our graph of that equation. 8x minus 4y equals to negative 4, negative 12. So I hope you learned in this video, and thank you for watching.